Hello, welcome to another video from JLC3DP. Today we will finish the design of our coin separator and we will draw this last piece. Shall we begin? First, let's create a sketch and you should draw a circle with a diameter of 35 millimeters. Now you should finalize the sketch and select the extrude tool. Select the created shape and apply an extrusion value of 60 millimeters. Now select the plane creation tool. Select the top face of the cylinder and place the plane 12 millimeters away from the face. Select the sketch tool and create a circle with a diameter of 52 millimeters. Finish the sketch and now you should select the loft tool. Then select the top face of the cylinder and the circle you drew to connect them. Now select the shell tool to remove the internal volume of the created part. Apply a value of 2 millimeters. Select the offset tool and apply the value of -1 millimeter to this region of the internal wall. Select the fillet tool and apply a value of 5 millimeters to that location on the part. Now let's create a new sketch on the bottom face of our part. Select the line tool and create a construction line from the center with a length of 44 millimeters. From now on, create several circles. Follow the step-by-step and use all the diameters shown. All circles must be drawn from the end of the construction line we created. After creating the circles, we will create two rectangles with their centers at the end of our line. After creating the circles, finish the sketch. Now you must select all the regions shown in the video and apply an extrusion with a value of 2.2 millimeters. Now you must select the extrude tool and remove the material from the inside of the coin holder base. Select the face of the large made and create a square in this location. The square should be 7.2 millimeters in size. Click OK to finish the sketch. Use the Extrude tool, select the drawn square and remove the material from that region with the Cut option. Our next step is to select the Fillet tool. After that, select all these edges that we are selecting in the video. After selecting, apply a value of 0.9 mm. After that, select the Materials tool and apply the material of your choice. Change the view of the part and let's select the bottom face of the part. Now you should create a line with a length of 45 mm. From the end of the drawn line, draw a rectangle with a center width of 31.50 mm and a length of 110 mm. Select the Line tool and follow what was done in the video. Select the Trim tool and remove this entire region from the sketch. Now you must select the entire sketch and apply a 4 mm extrusion. Select the Fillet tool and apply a value of 5 mm to these regions of the part. Now, the time has come to position our part at the assembly point with the engine base part. Use the Move tool. Change the orientation of your piece and we will move it using the points. Follow the steps and move your piece. To select the desired point, click and hold the Control key and then click on the desired point. Click on the Offset tool, select this face and apply a value of -8 mm. Select the Fillet tool and apply a value of 4 mm to round the corners of our part. Now select the Combine tool and we will use the alignment pins to create the fitting holes. Select the part to be cut and the part to be used as the cutting tool. Select the Cut option and keep the cutting tool. Now let's select the holes and apply a 0.15 mm gap with the Offset tool. Now, let's enable the engine part view and create a hole. Click on the Sketch tool and select this face of our part. Disable the visualization of our part and let's design the shape of the motor shaft so that we can use it as a reference to draw the circle to create the hole. Now, you must enable the preview of the part. Select the Circle tool and create a circle in the center of the shape projected onto the face. Descend Circulo to 5.2 mm. Select the Extrude tool and remove material to create the hole. This is the result of the completion of our coin sorting mechanism. Check out the amazing design we designed with you. So, did you like the result of our project? It's time for you to take the next step and 3D print your parts at JLC3DP. JLC3DP has several 3D printing technologies, including plastic and steel. If you want to print your parts, we have 3D printing services starting at 30 cents for you to print today.